I just saw a great question on LinkedIn and I want to share it with you. And it's on how to follow a hashtag or how to follow content. And it's this simple. You can go up here to the search bar and you can search for any content with the hashtag in front of it. Here's one, Autoban. This is a conversation about banning automation on LinkedIn. There it is right there, Autoban. And if I click on this hashtag that I just searched for, right here, Autoban, it brings it up and it shows you all of the posts, or maybe the last 30 or 60 days. I haven't done that research, but the post on Autoban, and it tells you those 48 followers and allows you to follow it by clicking that. Now, anytime there's a post on LinkedIn that has the hashtag Autoban, it will show up in your newsfeed. Furthermore, if you go to the home page and you look down at the bottom down here, followed hashtags, show more, then there's show more again. And I can see these are the ones I'm following. I don't see Autoban in here, so I have to go see all. And these are all the hashtags that I am following on LinkedIn. And I have the ability to go to it or I have the ability to unfollow it. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope that was helpful.